Foundation level objective 1.4.3 K2. Differentiate the testware that supports the test activities. The following group of questions are about testware. Testware is any output work product like documents, reports, and lists created as part of the test process. Here, we need to understand which testware supports which test activity. The first question provides us with a piece from a document and asks which test activity produces this testware. So, we need first to identify that document. Luckily, the document states at the top that it's a test charter. According to the latest syllabus, test charters are created during the test design activity. Notice that that wasn't the case in previous syllabi. So you might find different answers on the web. The correct answer is D. The following question should be straightforward as well. It provides us with 4 testware elements and asks about during which test activity each one of them was created. So, as we have learned before, let's pick something we are 100% sure of. Coverage items, change requests, test execution schedule, or prioritized test conditions. Prioritized test conditions are created during test analysis, so 4 is mapped to A. So, we limited our answer to either A or D. Looking at A or D, it says that if we can map B, C, or D, then we have solved the question. I would choose the test execution schedule as it is created during the test implementation activity. That would give us A as the final answer. That means that coverage items are created during test design and change requests could be created during test completion. We mentioned in the lectures that change requests are part of the test completion activity. So that confirms our choice. Me, myself, I would not recall that coverage items are part of the test design activity. I don't memorize anything, but we learn and memorize while practicing and solving more questions. So, the final answer is A. The last question should be straightforward. It provides a bunch of testware and asks which testware belongs to the test implementation stage. Again, I should try to avoid reading every option to save time. So, I skim through the options quickly to see if there's one that is definitely related to the test implementation stage. And yes, I see one. Documented sequences of test cases in execution order, which is option 4. Considering option 4, then we limited ourselves to answer options A and D. Looking at A and D, we see that either options 1, 2, or 3 would give us the final answer. Option 1, test completion report, is easily mapped to the test completion stage, so it's not included in our final answer. That leaves us with option answer A. To confirm, option A includes the option 2 data held in a database used for test inputs and expected results, which is surely a testware of the test implementation stage. So, the final answer is A.